Hello world. This is a Perlick back bar refrigerator 3-door remote system to the roof. The lower left door hinge has come loose. This door is one messed up sucker. This thing's like not even together. Let's see what I can do with this thing. This thing's trashed. So what I did here obviously is I removed the Phillips screws. Drilled out the 2 Phillips screws on the left and the right. So I had some holes to work with. And I ended up riveting the door hinge to the existing door, because obviously there's no threads or anything left in anything, and it worked out really well. So lower left hand door hinge on a Perlick remote system. Okay, thanks for watching guys, and click like on the video if you could, and subscribe. Alright, take care. Bye.